Hello, good morning. How you all doing? So today I'm going to be showing you everything I bought from the market. Yesterday it was late, I couldn't show you guys anything. So today I'll be showing you guys everything, but before then I have to eat me something. I hope you all have been doing good. Did I say hello, Guchies team? Hello, Guchies team, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Alright guys, let's get right into this video. I'll just be showing you guys in this video. I'll be showing you guys the things I bought from the market and how much I bought them. I'll be doing some prepping also, so stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. Please give my videos massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you all so much for your love.
Together just to make sure we have something to eat for tonight. I took everything out. I'm going to set this aside. I'll add some more oil. I'm going to go in with my shrimp. With some salt. Add a little bit of turmeric to my pot like so. A little bit of corn. I'm going to go in with my rice.
So these were the things I went to the shop to buy. I went to the fresh marketplace. So because I didn't have this red pepper for a long time, I was looking for it. I've been to several stores. These things come in season. I think it has season when it comes. So it wasn't the season when I ordered for it the other time. I ordered from a guy that used to supply me foodstuffs sometimes when I'm not able to go to the fresh marketplace because I'm usually very busy. So sometimes when I can't go, I have to order from somebody and they bring it here. Actually, it used to be more expensive than when you go and shop for things yourself. There were some things they shopped for me some time ago, which I'll be showing you the video very soon. I think I have not posted that video. I have so many videos to post, guys, but it's been very busy for me, and I've not been feeling too well, so I'm just in between all of this, you know. So if I've not been posting regularly, it's because of that. I'm not feeling well. I'm stressed, so I'm just taking my time doing what I can do. So please bear with me. I know you guys love it when I post videos like almost every day, but like I'll keep saying here, it's not possible. Sometimes I will do what I can do. So whatever I do, please, I'm begging you guys, please always click on that like button, because it doesn't cost you anything to just click on the like button, you know, please. Because at this point, I mean, we all have to help each other, you know. That's what YouTube is all about. It's a big space. It's going to be enough for everybody. So let's just try to encourage each other in any best way that we can. All right, that is what I preach on this platform, okay? Yeah, I'll just show you guys all of these things, and then I'll be telling you about my new channels maybe about the end of this video, so you can go and support me, and I'll tell you about Emmanuella's channel. We are going to be leaving it on this very video, so you guys can just go and click, even though we don't have so much videos there already, but I think we'll be trying to post videos there, so you guys can also enjoy whatever we are doing in all those other channels, okay? All right, so we bought these peppers for $40, right, Chidera? Yeah, we bought these peppers $40. This is just a case. How much is this pepper in Nigeria? What do you think? Is this a good bargain? Because the guy told me he's selling it for $70, but because I usually buy from him, he gave it to me for $40. Compared to Nigeria or wherever you're watching me from, let me know if this is a good bargain. Are you watching me from Kenya, from Thailand, from Germany, from India? Wherever you're watching me from, please let me know what this quantity can be sold in your city, okay? This is $40 here in America, here in Georgia to be precise, okay? All right, so I'm going to set this aside and show you. So guys, this was the quantity of tatashe I bought because I didn't see a lot, so I just took this quantity. This is just about 10 pieces, and the woman said each one was $2 for this tatashe. And I usually buy a lot of stuff from gave me a discount. Yeah, he gave me a discount, which I really like that I was able to buy this. The ones I bought for the past how long from the same man is the ones I've been using, and it's really good, and his items are always very fresh. That's one thing I like the fresh peppers you saw. They are too fresh for me to have left it. I went to buy like other items, but because the pepper was too fresh, I just took the whole carton, because that pepper you don't see it all the time, so I just took everything. It saves me a lot of stress, like, you know, it helps me. So I bought some quantity of tomatoes. This is 2 kilos. This is 2 kilos. This is about $8 tomatoes, because he gave me 2 kilos. Let me know if this is a good bargain. $8 tomatoes. What is the quantity of $8 tomato in Nigeria? Let me know in the comment section. Is this a good bargain? Like, I always see people who go to Nigerian market to shop. When I watch the videos and see the things they bought, for me it's cheap in Nigeria compared to here in the diaspora, you know. But it depends on the area where you are anyway. So this one, I have tomatoes in my freezer. This is just for me to fry my eggs, to make sauce, like quick breakfast. That's why I got this, okay? So I bought this carrot for $12. This is a good bargain. But some time ago, I bought this quantity, or even more than this, for $7. You remember? But this is $12. So things are skyrocketing by the day. Okay, let me know. Is this a good bargain? $12 carrots. This is not bad. This is for all my salad, quick recipes, like fried rice. Like, I used to have all of these diced in my freezer, but when it's running down, I just want to quickly get some more, dice them on my off days, throw them in my freezer so I can always use them whenever I want to make a very quick recipe. And yeah, this is the reason why I get a lot of these things. This is going to be very helpful if you do your things like this. Get your stuff, prep them, store them in your freezer. It makes it very easy for you. So this is chili peppers, and this is jalapeno. Yeah, this is called jalapeno, and this is spicy. This is spicy, but this is more spicier. Am I correct with that English word? More spicier. Oh my goodness, English. Oh my God, Guchies will not eat her mouth speaking English. So I have some of this in my freezers, but because I wanted to do some recipes, I needed fresh one, not freezer one. So that's why I bought this, and I've used it for some of my recipes. This is why I bought this. I love jalapeno. I love it a lot. So if you like it, you can go ahead. It gives you a very sweet, I mean, there's this taste. It makes my food taste like, it gives my food a very delicious taste. And honestly, I just love green stuffs in my food. So that's why I will always have this at home. Depend on you though. Do you have this very particular chili in Nigeria? I should think so, because I use the other one. Yoruba call it shombo, the red one of this. But I don't think I've seen this in Nigeria, this color. I know of bell peppers, but I shop a lot too in Nigeria. Like, I go to my 12 K2 for yam. I go to a lot of all these big markets. I even go to Abule Egba market. I go to several markets, Oyinbo, Ido, Oto, because I cook a lot, guys. I shop. When I was in Nigeria, I cooked for banks, I cooked for NEPA, I cook for some companies, you know. So I usually do a lot of shopping, trust me. So I know all these markets where you can buy items. My mother showed me all of these places, because my mom too was a very big business person, you know. So I knew all these things because my mother showed me several of these markets, and with time I begin to discover other places. So I shop a lot, and I came to America. I continued with what I know how to do, you know. So don't blame me, guys. It is what it is. So I'm going to chop this one. I don't have any of this at home. We don't have any, right? Nowhere, yeah. We usually buy a lot of this and chop these things, but honestly it's expensive, and I don't have quite enough now to buy like the quantities I would like to buy. So I just picked a little bit of these things until when God helps me to make the money. You know, sometimes you don't have this money. So right now Guchies is, you know, believing God and trusting God. So we decided to just take few of these items, you know. Green peas. This is they call this what do they call this here? Strail peas, but we call it green peas in Nigeria. We call it green peas in Nigeria. What do you call
green
it?
Green peas.
Huh?
Thought the round one is the green peas.
Well, we call this roller peas in Nigeria. Roller pea in Nigeria, right? Yeah. But here, I think they call it a different thing here. They call it green beans. Yeah, right. They call it green bean. You know they have the can one.
Oh, yeah. They
call it green beans. Yeah. Well, whatever it's called where you are, just let me know in the comment section, okay? I like this a lot for my fried rice and some sauce recipe. So I bought cabbage. I have 2 cabbages here already, but we have used about 1.5. We have half the pink one. Yeah. Yeah. So that's about half of it that you chopped. Yeah. Oh. You remember we have 1.5 when you chopped. Yeah. So we have half and so yeah, I bought cabbage for some sauce recipes, and yeah, chicken sauce. I'm going to be using this for chicken sauce. I've done chicken sauce for people, and for some time I'm craving for chicken sauce for myself. So I'm going to be making chicken sauce. I bought cucumber. We bought 2 of these, right? We have used 1 already. So yeah, so we bought cucumber, and yeah, this cabbage was sold for, how about this cabbage for $4? We bought this one for $1. $1. This is $1. Yeah. Cucumber. So cucumber and cabbage, we bought all the cucumbers for $1. We bought this cabbage for $4. The green peas, we bought it for $3. I didn't remember to tell them how much.
Oh, okay.
The green peas was $3. I mean roller peas, that's what we call it in Nigeria. Ginger was like $3. We got this ginger for $3. You guys know I used to buy a lot of ginger, but I have to manage my pockets because that's how my pocket is now. I have to manage my pockets. It's my birthday month, guys. Make sure you say happy birthday to me. I'll let them say that later. Yeah. I'll take this out. And yeah, you know I like pineapples. If you know Guchies, you will know she likes pineapples a lot. But I don't want pineapple for my birthday gift. Get ready to start sending Guchies your gift, okay? Send in your gift. We have pineapples. Hubby bought this pineapple for me actually from a different grocery. So I don't know how much she bought it this time, but pineapple in that market where we went is for $4 each. You remember? Yeah. The pineapples are for $4 in that very fresh marketplace. All right, guys, I'll show you the fish. Emmanuella grilled fish. I'll show you guys how she seasoned it and marinated. I know onions is very expensive now in Nigeria. Let me know if onions is expensive as it is here where you're watching me from. These onions we bought for $8, okay? Just let me know how much you can call this onion where you are watching me from. All right, yeah, this is the size. $8 onion. I have onion though, but I just like topping my items. Even though I have some things, I just like to top them. Like I have some already made pureed tomatoes, just in case I want to make stew. I like to have my tomato. I have recipes on how you can make your homemade tomatoes, okay? Go and look it up. I have a couple of it on my channel. And in case you want to know how to make your homemade tomatoes. So Emmanuella is going to be prepping this fish. These are all the items she's going to be seasoning her fish with. If you have watched this video to this moment, please give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you all for your love and support. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to see our videos whenever we upload a new video. Guys, look at the fish. She did the fish exactly how I used to like my fish. This is how I like my fish, especially tilapia fish. I like it fluffy inside, crunchy outside. It came out very delicious. At this point, I want to make some salad for us so we can eat as we continue to prep and cook. I'm very hungry. I just made some salad right now. This is all I have: tomatoes, onions, strawberries, cucumber, some vegetables, kale, and so on. I'm so hungry. I'm going to add in some raisin. I'm going to add some raisin to this salad. I like raisin. Okay. I'm going to add some of this. Some lemon and lime. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon and lime. Do you like lemon and lime in your food? I like it a lot. I like to go in with lemon and lime in my salad, except if I don't have lemon and lime, or if I forget it, I'll go in with some ranch. Not so much. I like ranch dressing, but not so much, okay? Use any dressing of your choice. I'm very hungry, guys. Very, very hungry. I've been prepping and prepping. Whenever I'm at home, this is what I just go ahead and do. Try to have red onion in your salad. You will enjoy your salad, honestly. Honestly, so good. I'm going to sit down and eat. After much resting, I continue to prep. I continue to cook. Enjoy this video to the end and leave your comment if you love this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. I have several ufaku recipes. Go and look it up. Several types of banga stew, as we call it in Nigeria, ufaku. I have a lot of these recipes on my channel. Go and find out how I cook my banga stew. Very delicious, very yummy-licious. Okay, we are going to be pairing this with some white rice. You can add plantain, you can add beans, and you will enjoy this soup. You can even use this soup to swallow. My husband likes to use it to swallow, and it's always very delicious also. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. Our stew is ready. I went in with my rice. I'll mix it and cover it to cook until. So here's our rice. I'm going to dish it into the tray. So here is our jollof rice. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. This is my protein that will be going with the rice. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Watch out another video. Thank you. God bless you. Ciao, ciao.